You're on the 300 Boys YouTube channel.
Okie dokie, we're back again with another pile of junk we pulled out of the weeds, and we're going to make it run. Headley's about to pull the carburetor off this thing, and he's got the fuel drain. I don't know if you can see that right there, but she's green, aka not good. So we're going to clean the fuel petcock and the carburetor and go from there. Hopefully she fires up. Alright, so Alex has got the carburetor part. You guys seen their little short clip. It was just completely stopped up with gunk literally everywhere. I mean, it was just absolutely nasty. So he's got that all torn apart and cleaned up. Now he's putting it back together, and he's going to throw it back on the bike. And hopefully that'll be all this thing needs, and we'll be able to take her for a little bit of a test ride. Alright, so here we go. Alex has got her all back together pretty well. He's got to slide the intake boot on there and get the carb bolts tightened down, and then we'll be ready to do our first fire on this thing. For once, we are filming before dark because we somehow, by the grace of God, got a free second. So if she fires up, you guys will get a little test ride footage there. Maybe we'll play on the other bikes and show you some of them. I know we've never done that, or maybe we'll tear it apart because maybe it won't run. I don't know. So stay tuned. All right, well, Alex has got the carb all hooked up. He just dumped some fresh gas in her there. We got the key on. Got her on run. He's gonna crack the bowl in the carburetor and make sure we got some fuel coming out of her. We do not. So it's probably plugged up with whatever junk was in the tank. Because Alex never flushed it, just like I told him, but he didn't listen to me, so. Well, we're not getting any fuel out of the carb, so I guess we'll bring you guys back in a second when we figure out why that is. Okay, so we must have just got a little bit excited there. We got some fuel running out now. He's going to go ahead and throw the drain bolt back in for the carburetor. Once again, we got the key on. Our switch is on. So we're going to go ahead and see what she'll do here.
Here, I'll let you do it.
Get the fuel on her. No cigar yet. Do you have it on or reserve? On. Well, you want to try and fire off some jalapeno juice? Yep. Let's see if maybe. So what we're going to do here is 110% not recommended. This can cause a fire, backfire, and through the carb, and it can cause a lot of problems. Do not do this at home, but we are going to. So we're hoping that maybe this will just be enough to get her going here and suck some gas through the carb. we went through the carb. Did you clean out the fuel inlet on the carburetor? We got gas coming out of the carb, so it's got to be getting gas. Oh, no, we don't. We did, but now we don't. Oh, it's off. That's why.
Yeah.
Well, I wasn't paying attention. That's on.
Just a steady drip.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Let's try reserve. There we go. So somehow it's only rolling on one side and not the other, but well, now it's not coming at all.
Okay. I just.
All right, well, tighten her back up and we'll see what that does.
Cool.
Bring you guys down in here and show you what we're working with here. All right, well, there you had it. It runs. Looks like we need to do a little bit of tuning on the carburetor. Might have to tear it back apart and do a little cleaning on it and figure out what's going on there. But it does run, so we're going to do a little bit more of an evaluation on her here, and then we will get back with you guys and let you know what we found and hopefully do a little bit of riding. All right, so what we done here is we went ahead and changed the oil in it. It kind of smelled like it had gas in it, but the gas was completely so varnished that you couldn't really tell. So we just went ahead and changed that. We're hoping that maybe there was a little gas in the oil, and that's what was making it smoke and making it run weird. It was burning the gas out of the oil. So Alex is going to go ahead and give it a shot here to see if she runs. All right, so it does run. Was that choke on or off?
That was choke off.
Is that choke off?
Yeah.
All right, so he's got the choke off. He's got it running there. He's going to try and keep it running long enough. Well, it shut off. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to take the camera down so I can help him with this. We're going to try and get it to where it'll idle. And we'll bring you guys back in and take her on her first test ride. All right, so Alex thinks he's got her in there. It's not quite idling, but we're going to run it a little bit and see if maybe it pulls a little bit of stuff out of the passages and jets and stuff. You know, just see if maybe it breaks in. If it's still on idle, we'll try a valve adjustment. It does need an air filter, so little stuff like that. But he's going to take her on her first test ride here.